Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to get verified in Bybit P2P trading. So for you to be able to do that, you have to open your Bybit app on your phone. Once you do that, then you tap on this option, which is more button. Once you tap on it, then you tap on this option right here, which is the P2P trading. You tap on it, then give it a few minutes to load. When it's done, when this is load, then tap on this three dot icon. Okay, come in. Then you tap on this three dot icon up here. Once you tap on it, then you tap on this option, which is user center. Then you scroll down a little, then you tap on this option, verified advertiser. You tap on it. Then right here you see the required list for every user that wants to be verified as a P2P trader. You can see mine was cropped out because I did not meet any of the requirements. But if it is for you, you can simply work on this requirement and their levels of whatever they want for. Okay, this is it. You must meet the following requirements. You can see these are requirements right there. So I only meet one out of like 10. I only meet one. So that's it. If you find the video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.